Hi, my name is Jessica Black and I'm a 2018 graduate at Baker High School. I plan to attend the University of West Florida and get a degree in pre-pharmacy. My favorite high school memory was going to state and track my junior year.
I am JC Davies. I am a 2018 graduate of Choctaw-Hatchie High School. I plan to attend either FIU, UCF, or UF, and I plan to major in biomedical engineering. My favorite moment at Choctaw was in the IB junior trip where I was able to spend time with my fellow IB classmates.
I'm Molly McLean. I'm a 2018 Choctaw graduate. I plan to attend UF, but I don't know what I'm going to major in yet. My favorite time at Choctaw was going to the volleyball games.
My name is Madison Miller and I'm a 2018 graduate of Choctaw-Hatchie High School. I don't know where I want to go to college yet, but I would like to major in environmental engineering, and my favorite memory of Choctaw is going to football games.
I'm Ashley Reynolds and I'm a 2018 graduate of Choctaw-Hatchie High School. I don't know where I'm going for college yet, but I know I'm going to probably major in engineering. I think my favorite part of being at Choctaw was filming all the football games with my friends, especially when we beat Fort Walton in practically every game.
Hi, my name is Haley Butchern. I am a 2018 graduate at Crestview High School. In the fall, I plan on attending Florida State University, where I will be majoring in social work. My favorite time at Crestview High School was being in culinary with my friends.
Hi, my name is Leona Walton. I'm a 2018 graduate of Crestview High School, and I plan to attend Florida State University and major in biological science. And my favorite time at Crestview High School was being a part of the cross country team.
Hi, I am Kiara Chambers. I am a 2018 graduate of Crestview High School. In the fall, I plan to attend Georgia Institute of Technology and plan on majoring in aerospace engineering. And my favorite time at Crestview High School was being engineering with my friends.
Hi, my name is Colin Esmond and I'm part of the graduating class of 2018 from Crestview High School. In the fall, I plan to attend FSU and major in chemical and biomedical engineering. My favorite memory from Crestview High School is playing Latin Fire with the Big Red Machine.
Hi, my name is Everett Schwig. I'm a 2018 graduate of Crestview High School. In the fall, I plan to attend the University of Florida and major in biomedical engineering. My best memory at Crestview High School is going to Chicago with a bigger machine.
My name is Carson Miller, and I am a 2018 graduate of Fort Walton Beach High School. After graduation, I plan to attend Brigham Young University, where I will study materials engineering. My favorite memory from high school has to be getting to attend the district tennis tournament in Tallahassee, Florida.
Hi, I'm Abigail Morgan. I'm the class of 2018. I'm graduating from Fort Walton Beach High School, and I'm not sure where I plan to attend college yet, but I'm going to be studying environmental science wherever I end up. My favorite memory from high school has got to be getting to rush the field after football games and being a part of our student section and the school spirit.
I'm Lucy Redman, and I'm a 2018 graduate of Fort Walton Beach High School. After high school, I plan to attend the University of the South and major in environmental studies. My favorite memory at Fort Walton Beach High School would have to be, I was told that I was taking a Christmas picture with the faculty and was led into the media center by Mr. Spolsky, and instead I was surprised with all my friends and my family, and I was told that I won the All Sports Association Award.
Hi, my name is Waylon Steele. I'm a 2018 graduate of Fort Walton Beach High School. After graduation, I plan to attend the University of West Florida and major in mechanical engineering. My favorite memory from Fort Walton would have to be being able to play baseball on the field that I grew up watching.
Hi, my name is Darby Edge, and I'm a 2018 graduate of Laurel Hill School. After I graduate, I plan to attend the University of Central Florida and major in legal studies. And my favorite time at Laurel Hill School was organizing school functions.
Hi, my name is Shelby Fugate. I'm a 2018 graduate of Laurel Hill High School. After graduation, I plan on attending Northwest Florida State College and majoring in nursing. My favorite memory of Laurel Hill is playing on the varsity girls basketball team.
Hi, my name is Hannah Schneidwin. I'm a 2018 graduate of Niceville High School. I plan on attending Yale, Northeastern, or University of Florida, and majoring in architecture or mechanical engineering. My favorite memory of Niceville was going to Momo's every year after state for cross country.
My name is Dhruvi Contractor. I am a Niceville High School 2018 graduate. I plan on attending Duke University or Dartmouth College. I am planning on majoring in biology, and my favorite memory of Niceville was pep rallies and Friday Night Lights.
Hello, my name is Ryan Murphy. I'm part of the Niceville High School class of 2018, and I plan on studying engineering at a college that I haven't decided on yet. One of my favorite memories from high school is being able to be part of the Niceville High School Eagle Pride Marching Band and marching in the 2017 Rose Parade in Pasadena, California.
Hi, my name is Hannah Ray Clayton. I'm a 2018 graduate of Niceville High School. I'm planning to attend either the University of Alabama or Texas A&M University and major in mechanical engineering. And I think my favorite part of high school has been my involvement with the Nagisa program. Getting to interact with everyone there has just been so amazing, and it's just been a life-changing experience that I'll never forget.
Hi, my name is Bailey McMiniman. I am a class of 2018 graduate at Niceville High. I am planning on attending the University of Minnesota. I am planning on majoring in international affairs, and my favorite memory of Niceville is playing volleyball here. Class of 2018 graduate at Niceville High.
Hi, my name is Jessica Black, and I'm a 2018 graduate at Baker High School.
All right. Shoot, I'm trying to think of what I'm going to say.
I am Kiara Chambers. Oh my god. I know. No.
I felt like, ooh, this is gross.
When you're ready, go ahead.
Okay, wait. Sorry.
Okay.
So it's, my name is...
Hi, my name is Colin Esmond, and I'm part of the graduating class of 2018 from Crestview High School.
My favorite memory of Niceville High School was going to the pizza place Momo's every year after cross-country state. That was terrible. I feel like that was bad.
I like to talk a lot at once. Mouth vomit.